1.3 and 6-4 coming up behind you at end.
Put your hands up! Turn the car off! Vehicle took off. Vehicle took off.
101, 1080 took off northbound. Left lane, traffic, medium. Crossing Lincoln, continuing northbound, right lane. To the units behind me, go around me here faster than my car.
Oh, you just took 26.
Thank you.
6-4 vehicle went through the stop. Red light. Now going southbound, please.
Flipping around in New York, going back north on 26.
Turn on Z, westbound on, eastbound on Z.
Road conditions are dry, no traffic. Heading east on Z Zebra right now. If you get a chance to take them off the road, do it. Am I 1050?
Winnebago, 1050, County Road C and Clay Road.
153, 1050. My squad's out of commission.
50s, my squad's out of commission. Roll over, send EMS.
It's going to be 1050.
50s, my squad's out of commission.
Holy shit.
Roll over, send EMS.
Winnebago, they're requesting EMS to do.
We'll take EMS up here. I don't know what the intersection is. We ended up ramming the vehicle. It rolled over in the ditch. 2 patients. Z and Clay Road.
I copy. We advise Winnebago they are sending EMS to Z and Claire.
Copy, 2 patients.
Copy 95 with a male.
Check where they would like your unit. Copy, final line.
Sheriff 101.
Go ahead, and all deputies are okay.
10-4, where would you like Winnebago deputies?
We're all in a farm field at this intersection. And we'll take the fire department. Suspect vehicle's on fire now. However, suspects are both out.
All occupants out, paging fire.
At this